Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Manvi, and in today's video I'm gonna be sharing 15 ways to look polished every day. No more bad days. First, let me share some of the benefits of looking polished every day, and then I'm gonna get into the how and some of my favorite products for that. Number one, gets you out of the rut, feeling demotivated, feeling stuck. Two, you feel more ready to receive your blessings like meeting your soulmate any day or starting a YouTube channel or a business. Four, you feel more motivated to get things done because when you look good, you feel good. Five, boosted confidence and positive first impressions. Six, attracts more opportunities and success. Seven, shows your professionalism and how seriously you take yourself. There are many more benefits, but I hope you're convinced. And now let's get into the how. Instead of overwhelming yourself, just simplify your routines. It doesn't have to be hard, it can be easy. Number one, highlight your lips. Simply putting a nice lip tint on your lips can instantly brightens up your whole face and you look more ready for the day. These lip products not only care for your lips but also look so much more natural on your lips as compared to a lipstick. Invest in a good lip balm or lip oil so that your lips always look moisturized and not crusty. My favorite lip balm is Laneige lip balms, and my favorite lip oil currently is Tipsy Beauty lip oil. For lip tints, I highly recommend Romand lip tints. These are dupes for Rare Beauty lip oils. My current favorite shade is Fake, which I'm wearing on my lips. Don't skip your skincare routine, just simplify it. Sometimes life gets too busy for a 10-step Korean skincare routines. So make a skincare routine that doesn't take too much time in the morning, like using one simple cleanser, one moisturizer, and one sunscreen. Doing just this much will make sure that your skin is glowing whole day and you won't need much makeup after this. Number three, liquid blushes. These are game changer. When I'm not wearing full glam makeup but I still wanna look like I have put some efforts today, I use liquid blushes. On the days when I'm wearing something peach or orange, I wear this shade Peach Puchka, and on the days when I'm wearing something pink, I will wear this shade Happy or Grace, which are two beautiful pink shades. Doing just this will make sure that your complexion looks so much more brighter and you look naturally flushed. Simplify your makeup routine for the days when you don't have much time or energy. People literally come to me and ask how my skin is so glowy even on the days when I'm not wearing any makeup because I'm wearing this. This is CT Hollywood Flawless Filter. It's like a real beauty filter on your skin. It gives that dewy glass skin look. This one girl who came up to me, she literally made me write down the product name, and I was not wearing any makeup. I was wearing just this, and she kept asking me how my skin is so glowy and glass skin. Number five, switch to facial razors to groom your eyebrows, your mustache, or your whole face. This will save you so much time and so many parlor trips. My eyebrows even looks more thicker since I stopped going for threading. I also shave my whole face using these and my face looks so clean and so ready. I don't need any makeup after cleaning my facial hair. Number six, imagine you spend 2 hours getting ready, doing your makeup, skincare, and you're smelling a little funky because it's too hot these days. Humans are sensory creatures. You might not be looking your best that day, but if you're smelling incredible, it has a halo effect. When something or somebody smells good, we tend to think more positively about them. It's like an invisible accessory and it only takes you 2 minutes. So my favorite perfume right now is the Lancome Idol. She's elegant, floral, and summery. It smells like wet jasmine and roses. I have so many perfumes, but surprisingly, I get the most compliments when I'm wearing this one. Especially the girls ask me about. If you guys are on a budget but still want to invest in something that smells incredible, go for Sol de Janeiro body mist. These are so long lasting, last you whole day, and smells incredible. I mix it with my other body mist as well because it smells incredible, so delicious. Number seven, make an evening routine that helps you to prepare for the next morning. Doing your skincare routine routine which will help your skin to repair while you sleep, so that you wake up with a plump and glowing looking skin instead of dull and tired skin. Again, you don't have to use a lot, just using one night cream or one sleeping mask will do. If you're looking for the best night cream, Cosrx 92 all-in-one night cream is highly recommended and highly loved by Kitty Fam as well. And this Dr. Sheth Haldi and Hyaluronic Acid Sleeping Mask. Number 8, develop a signature style, a signature makeup look that looks good on you every time you do it. This is how I consistently look polished in my videos. Go for a natural makeup look that will enhance your features. Use neutral shades of eyeshadow and blushes which blend with your skin tone, like peach pink instead of blue and green, and go for long lasting foundations and concealer. You can skip on both of these products if you're doing your skincare routine and your skin is even toned, but if you have like acne marks and dark circles, then you can invest in a good concealer. I love this e.l.f. hydrating camo concealer to hide my dark circles. Use the products that work for your skin and gives a very natural look to your skin without looking too cakey, and last longest without causing any breakouts. Accessorize yourself. Small touches like adding classy earrings, a neck piece, a silk scarf and rings, which adds sophistication in your look and makes you look more polished. Like, go for dainty jewelry pieces that goes with every outfit. This way you won't be wasting your time each morning in deciding which jewelry should I pair with my outfit. Don't overwhelm yourself by doing all the grooming in one day. One day you can do all your hair care like oiling and washing, and next day you can do face masking. Enjoy the pampering instead of seeing them as tasks. Practice Einstein time, which means time comes from me. It's not an outer concept. Once I started living with this mindset, I was never late for anything. I realized I always have plenty of time for everything I want to do in that day. It also significantly reduced my stress levels. Build a capsule wardrobe. Stick to classic clothing pieces and simple silhouettes that are timeless and can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. If you're office going, a white shirt is a must have. It looks so classy. I personally love wearing long cotton dresses because they are so comfortable, chic, classy, but also at the same time when I'm traveling, I can go to a temple or a cafe at the same time. I don't have to change my outfits. Do not be a woman who looks classy and polished on the outside but is insecure as hell on the inside. If you embrace your unique features, if you talk positively to yourself and to others, and you carry yourself with confidence, you have already won in life. You are classy and polished inside out. Stop fighting against your natural hair texture. Embrace it and work on enhancing it. Like, if you have curly hair, instead of straightening them, use the right products that will enhance your curls. Try these burns on the days when you don't have time to wash your hair. These look so polished and classy. It doesn't take much time once you learn how to do it. I also have a dedicated video on my favorite hair care products which will keep your hair looking sleek, classy. I'm gonna leave the link for that video in my description box. Lastly, stay active. Doing workouts for 10 to 15 minutes every day will make sure that your face does not look puffy in the morning. When you are taking care of your body, you are in shape, everything looks good on you, right? Next, you can watch my feminine hygiene routine to smell good all day, and I will see you next. Bye.